Hey guys, thank you so much for tuning into another episode of Mad Science Garage. Today's episode is a little all over the place, so it requires just a little bit of context before you start getting into the video. So long story short, the Project Freedan is finally sold. We fixed all the issues that we had with it, but we decided it's better just to move on from the platform, get something with a little bit more power, and something that's just a little bit more reliable on the track, so you guys can get some more seat time videos rather than videos of us constantly repairing and fixing the car. So the clip you're about to see, Vlad and Kim were meeting with the two guys who were buying Project Freedan from us, and it's a little funny situation that happened with them when they were trying to get their money. You'll see what I'm talking about. So again, just a little bit of context before you get into it so you're not confused. Project Freedan is sold, and we actually picked up a new drift project car that you guys are going to see what it is in this video. So stay tuned, and again, thanks for joining us on another video. And we also have an Instagram. If you guys don't follow us yet, I'm going to drop that in the link in the description, so make sure to check it out, follow us on there. You can get some updates on some projects that we're doing and just see what we're getting ourselves into. Alright guys, enjoy the video, and I'll see you later.
So,
oh my god.
Yeah. So yeah, we decided to finally sell the Beamer. We're selling it to a good home, and tell us your troubles, bro.
Alright, I got out of work, right? I'm thinking everything's gonna go smooth. I'm gonna go home and get my money. I lose the keys to my safe. Half an hour looking for this, sweating my ass off.
What'd you do, bro? You broke the safe?
I literally grabbed the knife and just started chopping the fuck out of it right here. Just started hitting it until I heard that sweet spot. And it was gone, bro.
Oh, it's worth it, bro. The drift car's fun,
yeah,
I swear.
Yeah, I know it's gonna be.
This is the last day this car's gonna be here. It's going to a good owner. We finally fixed all the issues, but we got something else in the works. Don't worry about it.
I mean, it was missing a bunch of shit, but I had to do it. But anyway, so I just started working on it, and that's where we're at now.
And who did the weld?
Damn.
I did everything.
Yo, what's up, you guys? So as you can see, we have an empty trailer behind us, and as you saw, we sold the blue car. We finally got it running, all good. Everything's good with it. We just kind of really wanted to do something else, and the perfect opportunity came along, and I'm super excited for this new build. Let's walk and let's see. Over at our buddy Roz's house. I don't know if you guys have a clue yet of what it could possibly be. But bam. There it is. Woo! What's up, Ron?
Guys, check out our piece of shit.
Yeah.
The proud new owners.
Get ready for 17 more episodes of power steering and cooling issues.
This is not a Beamer. You fix it one time and then it's fixed.
You're about to see the most quarts of oil go into a motor you've ever seen in your entire life.
No,
It's a 350Z. They're all like that.
Yeah.
they're not all. I thought some had drink and then some had. They'll have more oil.
So it's already caged.
Yeah. Oh, we caged it.
But that guy caged it.
Me, kind of. Both of us.
But that's pretty much all it has. We got a lot of parts, and right now we're actually missing a door, so that's fun. But Roz has guaranteed us that the motor and transmission is good, and
Oh my god, listen to this guy.
look at that guy. Does he look like he'd ever lie?
No guarantee. You came in so fast, and I couldn't even see that other side.
Came in hot.
Sketch. Dude, he's way closer on that side.
We need to
Yeah.
get back, bro.
Yeah, that's what I was saying. I kept going like this.
Oh, I took off the battery.
No, that's fine. Just push it. Can you give me a little push?
You know, Rosal always hated our car, but now you can't talk shit because it's his car. It used to be his car.
It's still a shitty car.
So any shit you talk is actually just talking shit about yourself. Are you feeling, Vlad?
Dude, we got a 350Z. We got something that, you know, won't give us issues on track, and we can actually get some fucking good seat time in it. So I'm pretty happy. There it is, and it's.
How do you feel about the fact that we literally fixed every single thing wrong with the BMW just to sell it?
Yeah, but on to bigger and better things, I guess.
You guys can't see. Or can you see?
Dude, there's a fucking camera right here, bro.
Boom. Or look at her. Look at her coming home with us.
Yeah.
Woo. On our way at Buddy Haggie's house, where we're gonna drop off the car and Vlad and Haggie are gonna get to work on it while I go pick up some more parts. Better get ready to work hard today, Vlad.
It's not that much. It's not that bad.
Do it. Put on the headers.
Oh, I don't know about the headers. I don't know if that's today.
Why, you have a lift there. Where else are you gonna put on the headers? On your driveway? Come on, put on the headers. Yeah, buddy. Alright, you guys, so last you saw, we picked up the car and we brought it to our friend's house and blah 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 blah. We got none of that on film because yesterday was so super hectic because we got the car late, we got into our buddies late, we still had parts we had to go pick up, still a bunch of parts we had to put on. I don't know if you saw from the first video, we have doors missing, body panels missing, blah 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 blah. So we busted our asses yesterday and we got the car to where it is right now, which we're actually super happy with because it looks so much better than when we picked it up. Well, the guys are putting everything together. I busted like a crazy mission to Riverside, and if you don't know how far Riverside is from Los Angeles, it's pretty far, plus LA traffic sucks, so it took me like 3 hours, you know, just to bust that mission to go pick up a hood. The hood's gray, which is unfortunate, but we're gonna go ahead and paint it. Vlad's in the back prepping right now. I just want to give you guys a little walk around, show you the progress so far. You'll see it's a lot more than you think it would be made in a day. Check that out. Yeah, so check it out. It looks like a full Z. We got this free carbon fiber spoiler, and I don't know if we want to be you know, rice boys, but we want to be rice boys, we're gonna throw that on. We got a door handle. We got a whole door as well. A bunch of side skirts. As you can see, it's already caged. We put in all the interior trim, looking good. Got the seat test fitted. We're gonna get rails and we're gonna have actually dual seats. So that's looking good so far. Got all the controls on the door happening. Got a front bumper that's also black. That's gonna have to be painted white at some point. And we need a radiator support, but all that's coming soon. But look at the car. It looks like a whole car. Remember, it was missing a door. I feel like I haven't mentioned that yet. But now it has a door. So yeah, let's take it to the prep. Let's paint this thing 50 shades of white and let's get it running for track days. So welcome to our backyard paint booth. Here we have the mirror. That used to be gray, if you guys remember. But now it was, I don't know, what kind of white is that? Pep Boys white? And then we have the hood, which also used to be gray, which we've sanded and painted. Now we're just waiting for it to dry so we can wet sand one more time and then add the clear coat. And then if you guys have a Nissan, like a white one, this right here, it's designed. Here, let me zoom in. Nope, that's worse. How is that? Yeah, that's better. So it says duplicates original Nissan color code and it's called Cloud White. Yeah, Cloud White. And this one matches like pretty perfectly. I mean, once again, as you can tell, boom. Excited to put it on. Now we literally watch paint dry. So here's the car again as it sits. Look at that side mirror. I don't know why. Every car we ever get, for some reason, I always end up working on the passenger side mirror. Super weird. Don't know why, but there it is. There it is. Now, we got this wing for free. Should we mount this fucking wing? Like, It's ugly, yeah, but it's just supposed to be like a little seat time drift car. Like maybe it should be a little ugly. Let us know in the comments. Like, should we mount that wing? Obviously not like that, you know, but you know, like what actually we'll get mounts or make mounts, and we'll be. Oh, well, I don't think we're installing this anymore. Yeah, well that happened, but still, should we install it? I don't know. But come around to the engine. And it's there. That's an engine. We need a intake. We need a radiator support. We need some to put a reservoir that's missing. But other than that, I think it's gonna be drivable. We have this really dumb issue which you can't see, but basically on the passenger side header, somebody cut the flange off. So we actually have open headers right now because we can't even bolt anything up there. So we'll have to change the headers and we'll have to change the test pipes. But we have this nice true dual Borla exhaust that it came with. Pretty excited about that. So that's gonna work. That's it, man. Like, what more do you need for a seat time car? Yeah, welded diff, and then maybe angle kit if it's in the budget, just for now. But angle kit for sure in the future, and then definitely some coils. If you guys are into 350Zs, let us know what's a good coil you want us to get, and we'll do like an unboxing and a review on it. Yeah, that's pretty much it. That's all I got to say about this new project. And for the ones that have been wondering, the Genesis is here. The motor's getting put back together. Mistakes happen, but everything else in the car is in theory fine. So once the motor comes back, we'll throw it in there, and then dyno day again. The never-ending project. Hey, thank you guys for joining us. You know, this episode wasn't really to do much. It was just to introduce you guys to the new build. Starting next week or the week after, we'll be putting some more stuff on it. We want to get it drift ready, but we don't want to go overboard like we did last time. It already has the cage. It already has everything it needs. I think we're just going to weld the diff, and we're just going to give you guys a lot of seat time videos. So yeah, you know, stay here, keep watching, learn how to drift with us. It'll be a good time. And once again, thank you guys. Appreciate all the views. Sorry I'm a little out of it right now. We've been pretty much working on this thing for the last 2 days. But thank you guys for sticking around, and see you next video.